Hey everyone, having trouble with call forwarding on Aldi Mobile? Don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. How to fix Aldi Mobile call forwarding not working. Aldi Mobile call forwarding must be configured directly on your handset as their call center cannot set it up for you. Ensure you have a sufficient PAYG credit since call forwarding incur additional charges other than voicemail. Also check your network coverage and handset settings. Why are the mobile call forwarding not working? Check balance if you forward calls to an Australian number other than voicemail, you will need pay as you go credit. Incorrect settings ensure that call forwarding is correctly configured on your handset. Network coverage. Poor network coverage can affect call forwarding functionality. SIM card issues. Problems with your SIM card might prevent call forwarding from working properly. Fix 1. Check for PAYG credit. Call forwarding requires PAYG credit other than Australian voicemail. Insufficient credit will prevent the future from working. To check for PAYG credit, method 1 using website. Log into all the mobile app, check your number and you can see your PAG credit in your account dashboard. If it is low, go to manage account, then my services, then go to recharge. Pay as you go to recharge. Method 2 using app. Open your app and log in. Tap dashboard icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap and expand your number to check PAYG credit. If it is low, go to recharge and click pay as you go option to top up. Fix to reset call forwarding. Reset call forwarding will resolve accidental or incorrect setups. Method 2 using settings. For iOS, open settings, tab phone, select call forwarding, toggle off and then back on and re-enter the forwarding number to reset the configuration. For Android, open the phone, then go to the three-dot menu, call settings, toggle off and on available conditions. Method 2. Using codes, dial #21 to reset unconditional call forwarding or #004 to reset all diversions, busy, unreachable, no reply. Fix 3. Verify call forwarding configuration. Check your handset settings to confirm the correct forwarding number is set, as incorrect configuration can block forwarding. For iOS, open settings, tap phone, select call forwarding, enable it by toggling the switch and input the forwarding number if unavailable. Update your iPhone or contact your carrier to activate the feature. For Android, open the phone app, tap the menu or setting icon. Select call forwarding, choose a condition. Example, always forward and enter the forwarding number. Alternatively, dial *21 forwarding number hash to enable or #21 to disable call forwarding. Fix 4. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings resolve connectivity conflicts that may affect call forwarding. Reset network settings on iOS. Open settings, tab general and scroll down to transfer or reset option. Select reset then tap reset network settings. Enter a password if prompted and confirm by tapping reset network settings again. Reset network settings on Android. Open the settings app. Navigate to System or General Management on Samsung devices. Tap Reset option, then select Reset Network Settings. Confirm by entering your PIN or a password and tap Reset Settings again. Fix 5. Check for Aldi mobile coverage. Ensure your plan has adequate signal strength. Poor coverage can disrupt call forwarding operations. Go to Aldi mobile coverage page, enter your address to check the coverage. If your area has a poor coverage, unfortunately, this issue cannot be resolved since Aldi Mobile relies on Telstra wholesale network, which may have limitation in remote or rural areas are unavoidable.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.